Sit here and just kind of release. What is going on, guys? It is Rish
and Allie,
and this is our Rish World. Thank you for 9,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Appreciate y'all for being here, part of the Rish family. Today, doing something out the blue, checking something out, maybe picking something up. What do you guys think it's gonna be? Stay tuned throughout the whole video, please. We're trying to get back into the flow of the videos. We've been focusing on the merch and the brand and the cars and life and just keeping up with everything, you know? So we apologize not being as consistent with the videos, but we do want to get back to at least one video a week so you guys know what the hell's going on. If you guys want to stay up to date, check out all the social medias. They're all linked down below. If you guys want any merch, hit up the Rish Worldwide or TSX Nerds page and join the Facebook TSX Nerds group. We're at 7.6K members and growing rapidly, so we're waiting right now for the in-laws, which, look at that. Perfect timing. Let's go to U-Haul. Beautiful day, y'all. Beautiful Tuesday. Oh man. What are we getting today? Or maybe getting today. We shall see. We shall see. What up, y'all? Happy Valentine's Day. We're just here with a doggo. Oh yeah. Tonight, we are gonna be making this little DIY pizza. Try to form this into a heart shape. Let's see if I could make that happen. Hey, don't we have a roller? Did I f it up?
oh my god. I'll take over.
Oh shit, yeah.
Little appetizer. Squeaks! And then the hard pizza.
Close it!
Close it. Mmm, smells good.
What's up, y'all? On this beautiful day, doing that sporadic vlog style. I was supposed to grab the GoPro, but I forgot it. Earlier, we went down to St. Pete. Beautiful walk with the girls. The saliva all over the place. So yeah, it needs a cleaning, inside and out. That water make a rainbow. I don't think we said what we were gonna do. We washed the car, got it done, and now we're gonna go be on the beach for a little bit. And then tonight we're gonna go eat some sushi.
Yes, it's gonna be amazing.
So we haven't really eaten much today because we're going to like an all-you-can-eat sushi spot, and it's phenomenal. Dinner is like with hibachi and stuff, but they have way more roll options, and I can't wait.
Like all you can eat, guys. Come on now, we gotta make the.
If you like sushi, comment. I love sushi. Love the spot. Hopefully, you guys don't watch us fail too hard. I don't know. We haven't used this one yet, so we'll see.
I stepped inside the tent. While standing on the floor, push up.
Managed to get this thing inside out and struggled for a decent couple minutes.
Tomorrow.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Rish. Welcome, good morning. Thank you for being part of the Rish and TSX Nerds community and just being here, man. Almost 7 a.m. I'm kind of running a little bit late to work, not gonna lie. I had to freshen up and stuff real quick. It took longer than I wanted to. Welcome to these POV views and just kind of like days in the life. I'm gonna try my best to record every part of my day. Just kind of give you insight of what goes on. So late, man. I'm not trying to be as late. Anywho, you guys watched the last video. Rear tire blew out on the TSX, the Koenigs. Right now I have the powder-coated white stocks. Still have to find some new wheels choices or some used stuff from Marketplace. I don't know, man. I don't know, Marketplace is weird. It's like I keep seeing the same shit, and I don't know, I just have to really dedicate some time to finding something and not get so distracted. Merch, topic, merch. If you guys want some Rish merch or TSX Nerds t-shirts, hit me up. Oh shit. Look at that clouds and stuff over there, y'all. Look at those views. Almost look like a whole mountain. Like, this thing looks fucking crazy back there. So, like I was saying, merch. If you guys want to cop some merch, all social media links are down below. You can hit up the TSX Nerds IG page or Rish Worldwide. You know, I'm tracking it that way. So let me know what you guys want for merch stuff. Like, what's the season coming? Do you guys want tank tops? Do you still want hoodies? Coffee mugs? Do you want, you know, stickers, decals, jet tags? Like, what do you guys want? TSX Nerds community, we're up to like 8.8K members in the Facebook group, which is insane. Like, we're growing pretty damn quickly and consistently, which is awesome, building this community. We have 2 group chats, which is a buy and sell one and a help and discussion, which I kind of want to change things up a little bit, maybe make a second group, which is like TSX Nerds Marketplace, to kind of separate the two, so it's not all spamming and people are asking where to buy this, that, looking for this, like, and the chat thing does get a little bit annoying and spammy. But your boy just pulling up to work, so I'll catch you guys later. I know it's a lot of rambling. I want more eventful stuff instead of me rambling, so I don't know. What up, y'all? I'm on my first break. Been wanting just a break, get out that fucking room and kind of sit in the car and like woosah, because just another day of paradise in here. Every place there's pros and cons, but like the only pro to this place is a decent paycheck compared to other manufacturing spots in the area. People don't like paying for manufacturing. It's like not what I really want to do the rest of my life anyway. So it's like I have to figure out what, but I don't know what. It's just kind of a shitty situation kind of thing. I mean, given it could be worse, you know, I'm obviously like sometimes I overly stress stuff, but these people constantly mess with your peace, your emotions, your money, your livelihood. You know, this is your livelihood. Co-worker homie gave me some espresso candy, some Indonesian coffee candy. But yeah, like I was saying, man, I'm just dealing with a bunch of stuff, family stuff, my brother going through health issues and now life changing, you know, altercations. So life just keeps on life, and you know. On our lunch break right now, about to run to the gas station, get a little bit of energy. Be right back. Right, a little energies. Only gonna drink one. I don't plan on both. So what up, y'all? We're out of work. I know this day in the life just kind of been talking, sitting in the car in the same positions, because like I don't know. What we dealing with right now, y'all. We made it home. We made it home. My mood and spirit feels that much better. That's how I'd be feeling like you guys get the feeling when you just get home and you just want to sit in the car and some silence, no movement, scream, just kind of just let out, just woosah. I mean, you don't gotta scream, but if you just sit here and just kind of please don't bring this energy inside the house. Oh yeah. I love my girls. What's up, y'all? Good morning. This is another day in the life. So we're gonna like chop it up between like, I don't know, 2 to 3 days or something. So we could have like I feel like it may be a decent video, because sometimes like more happens in one day, sometimes less happens, where it's like kind of sitting in one spot, kind of trying to get some things done or whatever. Yesterday was kind of like running around because I got home a little later and then time just flew. Yeah, it is Friday though. It is Friday. There's that going. So happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. I deal with all this traffic and I'm running late. Each key. Dop doop. Before this whole wave of zombies come. Truck off. And look at that. Made it quicker. We're gonna make it quicker than sitting at the lights. How the f was that? A whole 2 minutes. How? Now I won't be able to beat the clock. I thought I was gonna make it. What up, y'all? We're on our break right now, our first break. A little chillier today. A little chillier out. I like it. I like it. Got a little bit of rice cake right here. Started drinking my energy drink. This new thing called Don't Quit. You get it at Walmart. It's like a cleaner energy. It's like with coconut water, green tea extract. I don't know if it has sucralose or something in it. Rice cake. Unfortunately, this is a plain one, so it's not like apple cinnamon or something. We have peanut butter in that, and then we have grapes for our fruit and sugar. So it's like peanut butter and jelly, basically. The aftertaste, like you really feel like you have PB&J. But it is Friday, y'all. Probably record a subscriber build video, do that one, because we have like 5 submissions. What up, y'all? Over here on my lunch break. Scarfed down my lunch real quick. Got some like jerk chicken Jamaican beef patties from Publix. Just wanted to try the flavor, and it was actually pretty good. Just the breading isn't the bestest, you know. Get some steps in, enjoy some more fresh air. It's a bit chillier. It's definitely gonna get colder tonight and stuff. It's been like last day or two, it's been colder. It just dropped in temperatures randomly, so never fun. I don't like the coldness. Bye. I see a gator in here somewhere one day. I just started coming to this spot for my walks at lunch. I'll see it one day. So yeah, goes here and then runs down over here. 'Cause there's also the trash place right there, the waste. So this little preserve goes all the way around, like, and over here. Wonder if I could jog it enough in time. Do a quick little jog. You know, get there. 'Cause I got 14 minutes left on my lunch break, and I still had to run all the way down the street and clear to this. So yeah, I think I got it. I didn't even do no stretching. I got shorts underneath, but I was like, nah, it's colder out. You smell the dump from here, y'all. They dump some waste. You can smell that shit from here. It fucking reeks over here, though. This is the day in the life, y'all. Kind of just be enjoying my time, staying active, trying to see some cool spots. But we do have to get back active with the vlogs itself. It's different. And it sucks. I gotta pee. I gotta pee really bad. Really badly. I got to pee. Dump starts all the way over there and just goes around. Ugh. Ugh. 5 minutes left on this break. Now I gotta kind of have to rush truck down all the way to the street. You know, well, not all the way, like halfway down the street, but time be moving a lot quicker than we think, man. But that's a nice spot. I enjoy that spot, that walk. Just not the smell at the end. In the beginning, you don't smell that, but once you get towards that building and stuff, you really smell it. And that boat, I don't know if they had some weird shit in that little sprayer container, because that's where it really smells. It's right at that trailer. All right, y'all. Back home at the Rish house, man. Relax, excited. Hi, baby. Because she wants to give me the hug. Look at the hug she gives. So excited. So excited. So excited with dog, right? You too? You can give me hugs? You can give hugs? My doggos. Oh, nice guy. Damn. You good? So we're gonna go to the park. A little adventure.
Bless you.
With the gators. Going out with the gears. One at a time. Crazy girls. Load them up. Go, Sky. Bye.
I never take a day off. Work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.